Hi, my name is Bahar. We are in Nepal for a volunteer initiative. With the effort and support of many people, we help people in need who lack of healthcare access. We emphasize on holistic healing for the balance of physical, mental, and spiritual health. We raise awareness on health and well-being, and we encourage a healthy lifestyle. During 2 months of fieldwork, we first went to Tangchintar village in Godavari district. We applied therapeutic healing techniques for 4 families, including traditional massage and energy work. Later on, we served people with special needs at a clinic in Kathmandu. Here, my therapist friend from Thailand, Faye, joined me. Together, we conducted workshops with 20 women on healing yourself. Practiced stretching exercises, raised awareness on relieving lower back, shoulder, neck, and knee pain by physical exercises, cooked herbal oils and balms for more than 100 patients and employees, applied therapeutic massage for the disabled. We are in Nepal for selfless service, feeling amazed by the hospitality of Nepali people, sharing their sorrow after the devastating earthquake, experiencing the difficulties in their daily lives, laughing and crying with them. We are making this very small-scale initiative to spread pure love and compassion which we find in Nepal. Please support us for publishing this project in different forms. You can find more information on the campaign page and you can contact us through our social media accounts and personal blog.